Anthony, my boy, Carmelo.
Opio.com.
Ano sila naka-plus Pasty? PASTY by Pasty. We're back with a new kind of content. So bago to kasi NBA cards to. So first time kong papasukin tong NBA cards. So kung aware kayo sa display natin, ayun lang yung NBA cards ko. Yan lang, tatlo. Puro Carmelo na bigay. Dalawang high school, tapos isang college ata, yung isa Syracuse. O dalawang Syracuse pala, tsaka isang New York. So bigay yan lahat. And then ito na yung first ever box na binili ko. So first ever, as in, yung ako gumastos. So reactive blue prism, mosaic prism. So maraming salamat, maraming salamat sa Solid Toys kay Sir Jesse. Alam mo na yan. And bumili din tayo sa Fun Hub ng top loader and sleeves. So kailangan to kung gusto nyo magsimula. And siguro gagawa ko ng tips kasi wala akong alam sa mga cards, so wala pa. So ayan, ito. So sa harap you can see reactive mosaic blue prism. So ito yung mega box, season 2019 to 2020. So PANINI MOSAIC yan. And then ito, find one silver prism and other mosaic prisms. So ayan yung parang ano niya. Siguro when it comes to cards, parang ito yung mga exclusive, parang ganun, or yung mga hits na tinatawag. And then ito yung mga possible hits sa likod. 2019 to 20 PANINI MOSAIC prism basketball. And sa isa pang side, ayan, look for Mega Box exclusive pink fluorescent mosaic prism. Sa taas, yan, NBA card. Sa baba, wala. Barcode. So, tatry kong hindi gumamit ng kahit anong pambukas kasi gusto kong matry yung literal na punit. Yung rip talaga. Rip. So, first time ko to. So, please bear with me. I have no idea about NBA cards. Sobrang minimal ng knowledge ko about this hobby. So sana maging kind to sa mga beginner na gaya ko. And we have 8 to eh. Ay 10 packs of 8 to. 8 cards each, 10 packs. So each pack contains 8 cards. So kinakabahan ako actually kasi hindi biro yung presyo nito mga PASTYlan. So dahil i-stack na natin sila isa-isa, unahin na natin ito nakahiwalay. So yung nakahiwalay ito. So, ang mga napapanood ko nagre-rip, dito nila sinisimulan sa likod. So, I have no idea how to rip. And, di ako marunong. Ayun, napunit. So, delikado pala yung ginawa ko. So, let's take a look at the first one. Delikado yung ginawa ko. Pang ano yun eh, pang chichirya yung ginawa kong punit eh. So, ayan, baliktad. Grabe, kinakabahan ako mga PASTYlan. So, first one, we have Dumantas sa bonus. Indiana. We have Slow-Mo, Kyle Anderson. We have Kristaps Porzingis. In the first reactive blue, mga PASTYlan, nakita ko na agad yung pangalan niya, natuwa agad ako. Carmelo Anthony, my boy, Carmelo. Dito natin lagay yan. So, alam niyo naman na fan ako ni Carmelo. And then we have next, Got Game, Donovan Mitchell. Oh, we have an NBA debut, Cam Reddish. So, insert to. Hindi ko alam yung mga terms, napaparod ko lang. Pero, we have an NBA debut, Cam Reddish. And, ito, rookie card na naman, Cameron Johnson. We have Cameron Johnson. We have, Hall of Fame, Pete Maravich. So, that's for the first pack. Mga insert dito, mga rookie. Saan ba yung rookie? Siguro dito na lang. Now, second pack. Grabe, Carmelo agad. And I have no idea doon sa mga cards, sa mga rarity nila, mga ganon. So, I'm just enjoying the pack. If ever, maka-hit ng malupit, hindi mabuti. Kung hindi, okay lang. First time lang naman to. So, first we have Justice Winslow. Ayan. Si kababayan. Jordan Clarkson. Next one, we have OG Anunoby. And for the next reactive blue, we have Charles Barkley, Hall of Fame. Ito natin lalagay yung mga reactive blue. And we have a give and go, Dame Lillard na give and go for the first one. Hindi pala first one. After ng reactive blue. Next we have Kai Bowman. This is a rookie card. Dito. Oh, we have an MVP, Giannis Antetokounmpo and Nasir Little. So Portland fans, mag-ingay for Nasir Little. Sana yun? Nalilito ako. Hindi ako marunong mag-backflip. So, that's for the second pack. Now, we have the third pack. And Kinakabahan ako sa way ko ng pagbubukas. So please, sa mga mahilig sa cards dyan, please forgive me. Now we have the third one. So Colin Sexton. And Colin Sexton. Ayaw mag-focus. We have Colin Sexton. We have a LeBron James. We have a LeBron James, mga pastilan. LeBron James Silver. So nalilito na ako kung saan ko ilalagay ito. Wala, di ko na alam saan ilalagay. Dito na lang siguro. We have a LeBron James base card. Dylan Brooks base card, mga pastilan. And then for the next reactive blue, we have James Harden reactive blue. So ayos. Now for the next one, makintab to. Parang silver ata itong susunod. I'm not sure kung silver or hollow. Tingnan natin. Baliktad siya. Tingnan natin kung ano. Uy, John Wall. So babalik na si John Wall next season. So silver to. Pansinin nyo. Mas ano siya. Rainbow yung color. Okay, John Wall. Next is, we have Hall of Fame. Big O. Oscar Robertson. Hall of Fame. We have Kyle Guy. Rookie card, Kyle Guy. Then the last one of this pack is another rookie card. We have Ja Morant, NBA debut, Ja Morant right here, mga pastilan. So ito yung gusto natin makuha. Ja Morant, Zion Williamson, Hachimura, yung mga ganun. Okay, so for this one, we're gonna sleeve this up. Oh, alam mo ito, i-sleeve yung kanina, yung Giannis. Oh my god, halatang baguhan ako. Sleeve muna. Sleeve muna natin lahat ng mga hits natin. Okay, so we have Ja Morant. Sleeve natin si Ja Morant. Okay, sleeve. And then si Giannis na MVP. Halatang baguhan ako sa ganito. Sorry na sa mga nanonood. Sorry na. I have no idea about these cards. So bagong hobby sa akin to. So Giannis, and then Ja Morant. Okay, next pack. Okay, so dahan-dahan lang. Oh, dahan lang. Dito na pala yung punit. This is what, the fourth pack? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tama, this is the fourth pack. So nakahit na agad tayo Ja Morant. Okay? Now, sino itong una? Oh, we have Josh Okogie. Josh Okogie right here. Josh Okogie. Next one is Duncan Robinson. Nice, Duncan Robinson. Okay, we have Aaron Gordon. Nice one. Next reactive blue natin is Josh Hart. Okay, Josh Hart. Cool. Josh Hart. Josh Okogie tuloy. Oh, old school yung susunod. We have KG. Kevin Garnett. Big ticket ba siya? Big fundamental. Big ticket ata. Nalimutan ko na. Next, we have Cam Reddish. So, another Cam Reddish. Pangalawang Cam Reddish na ito, mga pastilan. The other one is a debut. Tama ba? Okay, Cam Reddish. Oh, we have Jordan Poole. NBA debut. And then, the next one is rookie card again. Goga Bitadze. Okay, next one. Fifth pack. Hindi ko, actually, mixed emotions ngayon ako, mga pastilan. Kasi baguhan ako eh. So I actually don't know what to feel sa ngayon. Okay, so this is the fifth pack. Sana magtagal ako sa hobby nito. Oh, we have first one Denver. It's my city. We have Will Barton. Okay, Will Barton dito ka. Marcus Smart. Next one, Nemanja Bjelica. Okay, next reactive blue, Miles Bridges. Okay, Miles Bridges, reactive blue. Uy, ano to? Will Barton uli. Pero ano to? Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito, pero parang makintab siya. Sorry. Okay, sleeve natin kasi kakaiba siya. And yung susunod, gusto ko din i-sleeve. Sleeve natin to si Will Barton. Kakaiba kasi siya. Halatang baguhan eh, no? Joke lang. Wala ko Hachimura yung susunod. Hindi pala Hachimura. Ba yan? In-sleeve ko pa. Ano to? Rookie card. Admiral Schofield. So, kaano-ano to ni Person Break? Michael Schofield. Admiral Schofield. Okay, rookie card. Ooh! Nice. We have another NBA debut. Base. Kobe White sleeve natin. And then yung next one is Terrence Mann. Nice. Ang daming rookies nito. Grabe. So, kung aware kayo, based sa mga napanood ko, kung for investment, rookies na. Dami ah. So, this is what? The 6-pack? 6-pack right now? Sana maganda yung labas. Sana maganda yung laman ng lahat ng cards na to. Sana, ng pack pala, I mean. Oh, we have first from the champs, Rajon Rondo. And then we have Daniel House next, Eric Bledsoe. So next is Reactive Blue. Let's see. Oh, we have Nikola Jokic, Reactive Blue. Okay, oh, Jam Masters tong susunod. Nice. Aaron Gordon. Jam Masters Aaron Gordon. So pangalawang Aaron Gordon card na to. Ooh, we have a Tyler Hero. Nice. Daming daming rookie card ng PASTYlan. We have Tyler Hero. So sana tuloy-tuloy yung improvement niya for this next season. Okay, so next one is a Hall of Fame, John Stockton. Sleeve natin. Hall of Fame, John Stockton. And then the next one is, oh, Matisse Thybulle. Nice. Sleeve natin to. Matisse Thybulle. Matisse, alam ko yung cards ni Matisse ngayon is mainit-init kasi he's a rising star for the Philadelphia 76ers. So this is what? 7-pack? Yeah, 7-pack mga PASTYlan. So I'm hoping for the last 4 packs, we get another hit. Kasi yung hit natin so far, correct me if I'm wrong sa comments ah, pero ang hit natin so far is Giannis MVP and then Ja Morant. The others, I'm not quite sure kung hit ba sila. Okay. We have Otto Porter Jr. First one. Otto Porter Jr. Otto Porter Jr. Otto Porter. I'm focus. We have Surge. Nasa Clippers na yan. Next one is Cody Zeller. Kapwa Panot. Next, Reactive Blue. Let's see. Rui Hachimura. Reactive Blue. Hi Kobe, alam kong gusto mo to. Okay, tingnan mo natin yung next one sino. Oh, AD. Nice, congrats AD. Grabe, another hit. Reactive Blue, Rui Hachimura. Rui Hachimura. Grabe, another rookie hit. Okay, silver pala to, AD silver. Okay, so I thought this was just another regular card, pero this is a silver AD, silver holo. Tama ba? Holo. Okay, tingnan mo natin next one sino. Hall of Fame ba? Ayun, Dwayne Wade, US, Team USA. Dwayne Wade, Team USA. Okay, so sleeve natin si AD kasi silver siya. Comment nga kayo sa baba sa mga marunong sa card kung ginagawa ko ba ng tama. If I'm doing justice sa hobby. Okay, next is USA Dwayne Wade. Next one is Eric Pascal, rookie card. And then the last one for this pack is Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, Hall of Fame Kareem. Last 3 packs, okay. Last 3 packs, last 3 packs, last 3 packs. Sorry kung ano ha, kung ang tagal ko magbukas. I've yet to pull a Zion, so I wish na makapull tayo ng Zion before the video ends kasi nakailang packs na tayo, diba? Zion, baka naman. Okay, so the first one is George Hill. We have a George Hill right here. Next one, Trae Young, second year card. Okay, we have Kevin Huerter. Next, ano to? Reactive Blue. Tingnan natin kung sino. Oh my god. 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 Tingnan mo natin yung sunod kay Zion. Okay, so Kristaps. Grabe. What a pack. What a box. Grabe. Grabe. Okay, Kristaps silver. Ay, hindi pala silver. Pamilya naman sa baba ko na tawag dito. I forgot what this is called. Oh my god. Next is another rookie card. We have Cody Martin. So, ito yung may kakambal sa Charlotte din. Forgot the name ng kakambal niya. Pero ito yung may kakambal din. Cody Martin. Yung identical twins. Okay, rookie card again. We have Vince Carter. USA card. So, pareho sila niya. Dwayne Wade. And Jared Culver. Okay, that's 2. Grabe. Grabe tong box na to. Grabe. Salamat sa mga nanglason sa akin. Grabe. Okay, so sino ito? Oh, Portland fan. Mag-ingay, Ines Cantor. Okay, next one is Julius Randle. Okay, we have Danny Green. Captain Clutch Joke. Next reactive blue. Let's see who this one is. We have OG Ananobi. Okay. Oh, next one. Oh shit. Ano to? Give and Go, James Harden. And this is a what? I don't know what this is called, pero sorry. Sleeve natin. Ganda. Pero I don't know what this card is called. Kung anong klaseng card ba siya. I have no idea. Next one, we have Wilt Chamberlain. MVPs, Wilt. Okay, so noong time na yun kasi, wala pang Wilt na may hawak na trophy. Kaya ganyan yung picture niya. In action yung picture niya. Okay? Yan, Wilt. MVP. Okay, next one is Darius Garland. Another rookie. Daming rookie cards ha. And NBA debut. Taco Fall. Taco. Sleeve ko to kasi I'm a big fan of Taco. Kahit literal na malaki din siya. Okay, Taco. Okay, Last Pack Magic. Tingnan natin, Last Pack Magic. Last Magic Pack ba yun? Last Pack Magic ba yun tawag doon? Okay, so ito yung last pack. Tingnan natin kung suswerting tayo sa last pack na to. Kung may hit pa ulit. Baka nga may na-hit ako, hindi ko lang alam kung hit eh. Kasi noob ako, diba? So first one we have Malik Monk. Number 1 from Charlotte Hornets. Next one we have Royce O'Neal. Next one we have Kyrie. Okay, the last reactive blue. Tingnan natin kung sino, okay? Oh, wow. KC. Oh, pala. Rookie card from the Miami Heat. Grabe. 3 reactive blue na rookie card. Tingnan natin yung susunod na card. We have Will to Win, James Harden. Grabe, this card looks nice. Okay, wait lang ha. Sleeve muna natin si KZ. Oh, pala. Grabe mga PASTYlan. Grabe tong box na to. This box is... Damn. So, panalo. Winner. Okay, Will to Win, James Harden. Next one is we have... Oh, an NBA debut, Jackson Hayes. So, fan ako ni Jackson Hayes. Napanood ko yung docu niya bago yung ano. Hindi ko naman docu yun o YouTube video lang. Bago siya pumasok. So, ang ganda ng laro niya. Yung kanyang rookie season. Jackson Hayes, NBA debut. Okay, last 2. Oh, Carson Edwards. So, ito, fan din ako nito nung college. Shooter to kaso, undersides. Last card. Let's take a look at the last card. Before we end this one. Before we end this box break. We have Scottie Pippen. Team USA. So, yun mga PASTYlan. So, konting recap. Ito yung mga reactive. Ito yung mga masasabi kong hit eh. Sorry kung noob, pero ito yung masasabi kong hit, okay? Giannis MVP. We have KZ Okpala Reactive Blue. Zion NBA debut Reactive Blue. We have a Rui Hachimura Reactive Blue. Next is a Matisse Thybulle rookie card, base card, and then Tyler Hero base card. Next one is NBA debut Kobe White, and the last one is a Ja Morant NBA debut. Okay, so maganda-ganda yung mga nakuha natin. The others, I'm not sure if they're a hit, but we have a James Harden give and go. And then, itong dalawa. Kristaps and Will Barton. So, yun mga PASTYlan. Salamat sa panonood ng first box break natin. So, yun. Salamat. And sana, magtuloy-tuloy itong hobby. Sana. So, yun mga PASTYlan, that's all for this video. Kung nyo kalimutan mag-like, comment, subscribe, follow me in all my social media. So, kung nyo kalimutan pindutin yung notification bell, subscribe button para lagi kayong updated pag may bago tayong video. So, yun mga PASTYlan, keep safe and always start to be better than yesterday. Yung mga Pasty. Peace! Pasty. Paalam!